chances are you'll be surprised where the hell did this amazing hypercar come from. The De Tomaso is an Italian-American performance supercar brand founded in 1959 by racer Alejandro de Tomaso, best known for its most successful model, the Pantera. Well, you remember correctly. Elvis Presley famously owned a Pantera, but became so frustrated with its unreliability he shot it with a shotgun. The company that makes these crazy cars has gone bankrupt twice, but it's here today like a miracle. De Tomaso is back with a bang, having just revealed the 2023 De Tomaso P900 track-only hypercar, inspired by its motorsport history and named after its 900 kilograms dry weight and 900 horsepower output. This all-new hypercar model has carbon-fibre-bodied. The bespoke powertrain is a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V12 with inclination of 60 degrees, capable of running on synthetic fuels and revving to 12,300 revolutions per minute. The hypercar will be rear-wheel drive only with a sequential Xtrac gearbox. This would be the world's first carbon-neutral V12 using the right type of e-fuel. It will endow the P900 with a perfect 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio, which in turn should yield some genuinely frightening performance figures. The new model will be presented live in spring 2023, and production is scheduled to start in 2024. The Italian brand will produce just 18 units of this hypercar, intended for the track, which will have a price of around 3 million euros each. And, of course, you won't get the chance to see them run legally on the street.